Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Today we are starting new chapter of your book, chapter number 18, Statistics. In statistics, we deal with data. We learn how to handle data, how to arrange data. So, as we are dealing with data, so first of all, you need to understand what is data. For example, if I collect the marks of your class, some students have 2 marks, some students have 5 marks, some students have 10 marks. So the data which I have collected is the raw data. So a collection of numerical facts about objects or events is called data. Data is plural of datum. Datum is singular and data is plural of datum. Data can be of two types, discrete data and continuous data. What does it mean, discrete and continuous? Discrete data is that in which we count. For example, your marks. Continuous data is that data in which we measure, like your temperature, age, weight. These are considered in continuous data. Discrete data are always whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. But continuous data can be decimal numbers. This can have units like kilogram, meters and like this, right? Now we come to the frequency. What is frequency here? Suppose if I have collected marks of mathematics of all the students of my class. Now 5 students have 2 marks. So the frequency of 2 will be 5 because 2 is coming 5 times. Similarly, if 20 students have 10 marks, then frequency of 10 will be 20 because 10 is coming 20 times, right? So frequency is the number of times each score or measure occur in set is called its frequency. Next is range. What is range now? Suppose in the data which I have collected from my class, minimum marks is 2 and maximum marks is 10, which is obtained by the students. Now the difference of minimum and maximum marks will be the range. Clear? The difference between the highest and the lowest values of the observation in the given data is called range. So data is the raw information which we collect. Data is the plural form. Its singular form is datum. Data can be discrete or continuous. Discrete means countable. Continuous means which we measure. Frequency, number of times any value or any score occur. Range, difference between the highest observation and the lowest observation. Now let's start exercise 18. Question number 1 of this exercise is, a total of 20 patients admitted to a hospital have blood sugar levels as given below. These are the blood sugar levels of these 20 students and they are asking to make a frequency table. So first of all, in the question 1, what they have given? Blood sugar level. So write here blood sugar level. Then we will write tally. Then we will write frequency. Now in blood sugar level, first of all we will find the minimum number, which is the minimum blood sugar, right? 67, 69, minimum is 67. So first of all we will write here 67. Then we have 69. Then 70. Then we have 71. Then we have 72, 73, 74 and 75. So right here 73, 74 and 75. Now first of all count how many times 67 is coming. For this I am using pencil. 67. I will cut those numbers which I am counting. 1, 2, 2 times 67 is coming. So you will mark here 2 lines. and its frequency is 2 because it is coming 2 times. Next count 69, 1, 2. 69 is coming 2 times. So you will mark here 2 lines and this will be 2. Next is 70. 70 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. 75. 70 is 5 times. So you will draw 5 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally marks are group of 5, right? So 4 like this and 1 cross. So 5 tally marks. 70 is coming 5 times. Now 71. 71 is coming 1. 71 is coming only 1 time. Next count 72. 72 is coming 1 and 2 times. So 72 is coming 2 times. So draw 2 tally marks here. Now count 73. 73 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. 73 is coming 4 times. So draw 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 4. 74 is coming 1, 2, 3. 74 is coming 3 times. So mark 3 tally marks. Write 3 here. 75. 75 is coming 1. Only 1 time. This is 1. So 1 tally mark and right here 1. Now students add these frequencies. Right? 2 plus 2 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 12 plus 4 16 plus 3 19 plus 1 20. Right? So total is 20. Now students, you can check your answer. You will see that this 20 will be equal to the total number of patients. We are getting total frequency 20 and total number of patients were 20. So these are equal. It means we have made our frequency table correctly. Question number 2. The marks obtained by 30 students of a class in a test out of 10 marks are as follows. These are the marks. Make a frequency distribution table for the above data. Use the table to find. ये information find out करिए. So first of all we will make frequency table. So these are what they have given. Marks out of 10. Right? Here tally. You will write tally here. And third one is frequency. Okay. Here marks are out of 10 and minimum marks is 1. So write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are marks. So first of all check 1. How many students are getting 1 marks? 1, 2, 2 students are getting 1 marks. So 2 tallies here. So this is 2. Next 2. How many students are getting 2 marks? 1. Only 1 student is getting 2 marks. Now 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students are getting 3 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. Now 4 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students are getting 4 marks. 5 tally marks are group of 5. So 4 vertical and 1 cross. This is 5. Now 5 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students are getting 5 marks. So write here 4 tally marks. Frequency is 4 because 4 times we are getting 5. Now count 6. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 students are getting 6 marks. So put 3 tally marks here and write 3. Now for 7. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 students are getting 7 marks. So put 3 tally marks here. 3. Now for 8. 1, 2, 3. So 3 students are getting 8 marks. So put 3 tally marks here and write here 3. Now count for 9. 1, 2. 2 students are getting 9 marks. So put 2 tally marks here and frequency is 2. Now count for 10. 1, 2, 3. 3 students are getting 10 marks. So put 3 tally marks here and frequency is 3. Now students, you have made frequency table. To check your frequency table, first of all you will count the total frequency. 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 12 plus 4 16 plus 3 19 plus 3 22 plus 3 25 plus 2 27 plus 3 30. So total is 30. So number of observations should be 30, right? So this is 30 and number of observations were 30 because 30 students have given the test. It means your frequency table is correct. Now students, on the basis of the frequency table, you will find the answer of these questions. The number of students passed if the minimum pass marks are 40%. पहले तो निकाल लेते हैं what is minimum pass marks. Minimum passing marks. Minimum passing marks are 40% of 10. टोटल मार्क्स 10 थे, सो 10 का 40% होगा. 40% मीन्स 40/100 मल्टीप्लाई 10. 0 to 0 कैंसिल आउट, 0 to 0 कैंसिल आउट, इट मीन्स 4. So all the students who have 4 or greater than 4 marks, those students are pass. So pass students are 4 and greater than 4. So 4 marks are obtained by 5 students plus 5 marks are obtained by 4 students plus 6 marks are obtained by 3 students, 7 marks by 3 students, 8 marks by 3 students, 9 marks by 2 students and 10 marks by 3 students. So add them. 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12 plus 3 15 plus 3 18 plus 2 20 plus 3 23. So 23 students are passed. Next question is how many students failed? It means जो पास नहीं है, जिनके 4 मार्क्स नहीं है या 4 से ग्रेटर मार्क्स नहीं है, जिनके मार्क्स 4 से लेस हैं, those are failed. So failed students are students having marks 1 2 and 3 are failed, right? So 2 plus 1 plus 4, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7. These are failed students. So failed students. Two plus 1 plus 4. 7 students are failed. Next question, how many students secured the highest marks? Highest marks means 10. So how many students secured? 3 students. So 3 students. Students, I am not writing the whole statement because it will very time consuming, but you all will write proper statements. Next is how many students secured more than 60% marks? कितने students को 60% से ज़्यादा marks मिले हैं? So first of all find the 60% of 10. 60% means 60 upon 100 multiply 10. 0 to 0 cancel out, 0 to 0 it means 6. So how many students secured more than 60% marks? 6 से ज़्यादा marks कितने students के आए हैं? इन students के, because 7 8 9 10 marks आए हैं इनके. So add them. 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 plus 3 11. So your answer is 11 students, right? Next question is the weight in kg of 30 students of class are this. These are the weight of 30 students of a class, right? First of all, they said to prepare a frequency table. So what they have given in the question, weight in kg, then you will write tele, then frequency. Minimum weight is 41, then we have 42, 43, 44, 45, 49, 50, 54, 55, 56 and 57, right? Write all these numbers here, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 49, 50, 54, 55, 56 and 57. Now check how many times 41 is coming. 41 को check करते हैं कितने times आ रहा है. So 41 is occurring only one time, so put here 1. Frequency is 1. 42 is occurring 1, 2, 2 times, so put 2 telemarks here and frequency is 2. Now check for 43. 43 is occurring one time, put 1 telemark here and frequency is 1. 44, 1, 2, 3, 44 is occurring 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So put 3 telemarks and frequency is 3. 45, 1, 2, 3, 4. 45 is occurring 4 times, so put 4 telemarks here and frequency is 4. Next 49, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So put 6 telemarks here. Telemark is a group of 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 vertical, 1 cross, 5, 6 and frequency is 6. Then 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 50 is occurring 7 times. So put 7 telemarks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Frequency is 7. 54, 1, 2. 54 is occurring only 2 times. So put 2 telemarks here and frequency is 2. 55, 1. 55 is occurring 1 time. 56 is occurring 1 time and 57 is occurring 2 times, right? 55, 1, 56, 1 and 57, 2. So put 2 telemarks here. Frequency is 1, 1 and then 2. Now add them. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 7, 24 plus 2, 26, 26 plus 1, 27 plus 1, 28 plus 2, 30. Total is 30. So first of all check your answer. This is 30 and observation was taken from 30 students. So this is correct. Now check the questions which they have asked. What is the least weight? Least means सबसे कम weight क्या है? 41, right? So least weight is 41. They are not asking about the students. They are asking the weight. So 41 kg. Next, find the number of students having the least weight in the above data. Number of students बताने हैं जिनका least weight है. Only one student का least weight है ना? So one student. One student. Next, find the number of students having the maximum weight in the above data. Maximum weight means 57. So how many students have maximum weight? 2 students. Next question is, which weight do the maximum number of students have? Maximum number of students का कौन सा weight है? Maximum number of students are there 7 and weight is 50 kg, right? Maximum number of students have 50 kg weight. Next question is question number 4. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने पाई की वैल्यू सुनी भी होगी. पाई की वैल्यू आप यूजुअली यूज करते हो 3.14, राइट? एंड समटाइम्स यू यूज 22/7, but that is approximate value. Here they have given the value of pi up to 50 decimal places. They said write the frequencies of the following digits in the decimal part of the above number. सिर्फ decimal part में ही बताना है above number के, right? So how many digits we have? 0 to 1. So पहले यहाँ पर mention कर देते हैं digits. Tally frequency, right? Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are digits. First of all, check for the digit 0. 1, 2. 0 is occurring 2 times, so put 2 tally marks here, and frequency is 2. Now count 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is occurring 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertical, 1 cross. 5 times. Frequency is 5. Now 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is also occurring 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency is 5. Now find the frequency of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Frequency of 3 is 8. So put 8 tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Frequency of 3 is 8. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequency of 4 is 4. So put 4 here. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency of 5 is 5. So put 5 tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency of 5 is 5. Similarly, 6. Students, if you have observed, I didn't count for this होल नंबर. मैंने इस होल नंबर को काउंट नहीं किया बिकॉज इन्होंने यहाँ पर क्या बोला है, इन दी डेसिमल पार्ट. हम सिर्फ डेसिमल पार्ट में ही चेक कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? इस 3 को होल पार्ट को नहीं चेक करेंगे. 6. काउंट फॉर 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is occurring 4 times, so put 4 tally marks here. This is 4. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 is also occurring 4 times. 8 is occurring 5 times. And 9 is occurring 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now add the observations. 2 plus 5, 7. Plus 5, 12. Plus 8, 20. Plus 4, 24. Plus 5, 29. 29 plus 4, 33. 33 plus 4, 37. 37 plus 5, 42. Plus 5, 50. And how many decimal places were there? 50. And जब हमने decimal part का frequency table find out किया, then the addition of frequency is 50. And in question also they have given 50 decimal places. So this is correct. Now in the question they are asking frequency of 2 is 5. Frequency of 3 is 8. Students, it may be 9. ये 9 भी हो सकता है because if they have included the whole number 2, right? But we have not included the whole number. So frequency of 3 is 8. Frequency of 5 is 5. Frequency of 6 is 4. Frequency of 9 is 8. Simple. Now let's do this question in book. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. The difference between the maximum and the minimum observation in data is called the range, right? Range of data. The number of observation in a particular class interval is called the frequency. The range of data, this range कैसे find out करते हैं? Difference of maximum observation and the minimum. Which is maximum? Maximum is 19 and minimum is 13. So difference will be 19 minus 13 is 6. So answer is 6. Question number 6 is deleted. Cut it in your book. Now let's do question number 7. For each set of data, make up a tally table using the grouping suggested and complete the frequency column, right? The number of tomatoes picked from tomato plants. So right here, number of tomatoes picked from plants. Okay, here tally and here is frequency, right? So now they have suggested these groups, so we will use these groups, but before that you need to understand why we use the groups. When we have large number of data, suppose the survey of our country, right, then we use group in the large number of data. So what they have given, 0 to 4, 5 to 9, right? So maximum is 33, I think, yes, 33, right? So 0 to 4, 0 to 4, it means 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now 5 to 9, it means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Then 9 के बाद 10 to 14, right? Then 15 to 19, next will be from 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this will be 24. Then from 25, next group will be from 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So till 29. Then 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 34 तक ले लेंगे, right? Numbers are lying between these groups. 34 से तो कोई exceed नहीं कर रहा है, so we will not make further groups. Now check between 0 and 4, how many numbers are lying here? 0 and 4, right? So between 0 and 4 nothing is lying, so no tally marks, 0. Now between 5 and 9, 7 is lying, only one number, so put one tally mark here, frequency is 1. Now between 10 and 14, 10 and 14 के बीच में क्या lie कर रहा है? 10 से greater and 14, 10 and 14 के mid में, so here 11. Only one number is there, so put one tally marks, 1 here. 15 to 19, 15 से 19 तक कौन कौन से नंबर हैं? 18, ये 15 और 19 के मिड में आता है, 1. 16, 2. 19, 3. 18, 4. 5, 6. 6 numbers are lying between 15 and 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequency is 6. Now 20 to 24. This is greater than 24. 21, 22, 24 तक ना. So 3, 4, 5. 20 and 24 के plus 6. 20 and 24 वाले इंटरवल में we have 6 tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So frequency is 6. Now 25 to 29. 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, if you have observed, in 25 to 29, what I am taking 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. I am taking all the 5 numbers, right? So I am looking for all those 5 numbers and frequency is 5 now. Now 30 to 34, it means 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We will search for these 5 numbers. 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 numbers. So put 5. Now add the frequencies. Total is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 5, 19 plus 5, 24. Right? So this is the frequency table. Now students, B part I am giving you as homework. Next question number 8 is, the following are the monthly rent in rupees of 30 shops. Monthly rent in rupees, right? Tele frequency. Now they suggested the interval 40 to 50, बट इन्होंने यहाँ पर एक चीज़ मेंशन की है एक्सक्लूडिंग 50. मतलब अगर हम 40 to 50 इंटरवल ले रहे हैं तो हम इसमें 50 वाले को इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे, 40 से 49 तक इस इंटरवल में आएंगे. राइट. नाउ चेक द मिनिमम टर्म हियर. मिनिमम नंबर क्या है? Minimum is 31, so we will take interval from 30 to 40. Why we are taking from 30 to 40? Because 10 का difference आ रहा है यहाँ पर and they already have suggested the interval, so we will take 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, right? Like this. So 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. चेक फॉर द मैक्सिमम नंबर. 80 से अबव जा रहा है, सो हमें एक इंटरवल और लेना होगा, 80 to 90. नाउ इन इंटरवल 30 to 40 हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर कमिंग? स्टूडेंट्स, आप 30 से 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 तक लेंगे. 40 को यहाँ इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. 40 विल बी इंक्लूडेड इन दिस वन, राइट? बिकॉज 40 is repeating now, so count for the 30 to 39. 37 is coming in interval 30 to 39, right? 37, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check once again. 6, right? So put 6 tally marks here and frequency is 6. Now from 40 to 49 check करते हैं. 1, 2. It means अगर आप सिंपली देखें 40s में जो आ रहे हैं उनको काउंट करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So put 8 tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Frequency is 8. Now 50 to 59. 50s में जो numbers हैं 1, 2, 3. Only 3 numbers are there in 50s. So put 3 tally marks here and frequency is 3. Now 60 to 69, that means in 60 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 numbers are there, so put 4 tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and frequency will be 4. Now from 70 to 79, it means 70s. 70s में check करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there in 70s. So put here 6 tally marks. 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 80 to 89. That means in 80s. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are there. So put 3 tally marks and frequency is 3. Now add the frequencies. 6 plus 8, 14, plus 3, 17, plus 4, 21, plus 6, 27, plus 3, 30. So total is 30. Check your answer. How many observations were there? 30, right? Observations were taken from 30 shops and we are getting frequency, total frequency 30. It means our answer is correct, right? So this is the frequency table. Next question is question number 10. Question number 9 you will do yourself. Question number 10, they have given the data weight of 22 boys and they have suggested the class interval from 35 to 40, 40 to 45. अब 40 repeat हो रहा है, it means 40 will not be included here, 40 यहाँ पर include होगा, right? Because repetition is there ना, ऐसा तो नहीं सकता 40 को यहाँ भी include करे, यहाँ भी include करे. Difference of interval is 40 minus 35 is 5. 5 का difference आ रहा है. So first of all check the minimum number. Minimum number check करते हैं. I think this is 36.49, right? So we will take the interval 35 to 40. First interval क्या आ जाएगा? 35 to 40. Weight in kg, tally, frequency, right? 35 to 40, then 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, right? Let's check which is the maximum number. Maximum number किस में है? क्या 65 से greater है? Yes, 69, right? So next interval we will take 65 to 70. चेक करेंगे सारे नंबर इन्हीं इंटरवल में आ जाए. 70 से ग्रेटर कोई नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए. No number is there greater than 70. So now count the number from 35 to 39. 40 will be included here. 40 यहाँ पर include होगा. 40 को यहाँ पर include नहीं करेंगे because this is repetition, right? So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, right? So count the numbers which are less than 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are lying between this interval. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequency is 4. Now from 40 less than 45. 45 से less को count करना है. 45 से greater है. This is less than 45. Nothing is there less than 45. So no, frequency is 0. Now less than 50. 45 से less than 50 तक check करेंगे. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 here. Next from 50 less than 55. 55 से less है 1, 2, 3. We are getting 3. So put 3 tally marks here. Frequency is 3. Now from 55 less than 60. Less than 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we are getting. So put 4 tally marks, right here 4. Now from 60, less than 65. Less than 65, 1, 2, 1. This is greater. 3. We are just getting 3 numbers. Put 3 tally marks here. Frequency is 3. Now from 65, less than 70. Less than 70, greater than 65. Greater than 65, less than 70. Greater than 65, less than 70. Greater than 65, less than 70. So we are getting 4 numbers. Put 4 tally marks here and frequency is 4. Now add these frequencies. 4 plus 0, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 4, 22. And total number of boys were 22. So total is 22 and this is equal to the number of boys given in the question. So your answer is, your frequency table is correct. So now students, today we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 10 of exercise 18. With this question, this exercise and this chapter is also completed. I have left some questions. Those questions you will solve yourself. If you have doubt in any question, you can ask me personally. In next class, we will start the next chapter. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.